Okay, so History Brush, it's somewhat helpful. I don't use it that often because I honestly tend to probably use actual history more. But there could be a point that it becomes helpful. So first let me go ahead and fix this image. So let's just do a couple fixes here. Make it a little bit obvious. Okay. And then if I, for some reason, need to step back and take something, rather than going out of sequence, which, the history you basically would lose. If you wanted to fix this, you'd also have to lose that. You can just delete it also. But, so basically this takes the place of using the history. So you can go over to your history brush, and if there's only one thing, like maybe I need to, for some reason, undo that part, that's all it does. It doesn't seem to work well on layers when I've tried it. It basically is if you've worked on an actual, you know, let me, for example, like it's not going to undo that mark, but it will fix the things that's actually embedded into an image.